Guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Selling. If you are in crypto altcoins and finding the next 100x gem before it takes off, then stick around because today I have got something exciting for you. I will share with you about the project and its name is Horsecoin. I will share all their detail, but before that, if you are new on my channel, to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification on my new videos in the future so that you can also get to know about more projects and you can earn money from it too. Without wasting your time, I will go back and share with you the details about Horsecoin, a brand new project launching on July 4th with 100% fair launch, no pre-sale, no private deals, just clean community driven crypto from the jump. So I will share all their details here. So what is Horsecoin all about? Horsecoin is built for those tired of shady tokens launches, and it's launching with lock liquidity, market cap which is given here about $1 lakh. Total supply is 1 billion token. Initial circulating supply is 900 million. So it is the top meme coin of 2025. Watch up, we do a badass stuff, go on adventure, love everybody and chill. We got French bullish bull 9. You can see there the Horsecoin token launch starts in 5 days remaining, so must go and join it. You can see the logo of that cute which is given here. They have 100% fair launch, no early whales, no rug pulls, etc., and their initial circulating supply will be 900 million. You can see there has Horsecoin wallet addresses given. You can see it here. This is how fair launches should be done: transparent, open, and built with the community in mind. So I will share with you about the Horsecoin. It is just another dog token. It's a fully on bullish takeover in crypto world filled with scams and drugs. We dedicated time to promote a brand where the real horses look up to four others and make doing right the thing cool again. So Horsecoin is positioning itself as a strong community token but with potential to evolve into a something more. While it's launching as a fair community coin, the team plans to scale up based on community feedback. So help shape where it goes, and with no lash, no team, no taxes, LPs burn, contract renounce. It's pure mimetic power driven by a community that does not sleep. So and these bulls do not bark on the charts, they bite. So you can see I like that line, these bulls don't bark on the chart, they bite means they show the visuals. And you can see it here. They have details about how to buy it. You can see it here, their address. You have to first of all create the wallet: Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, MetaMask, anyone you want. Get to some Solana, and after the Solana you can buy Solana. You have to head to the DEX, just Jupiter or Radium, and you can connect your wallet there, and you can swap soul for horse here. So you can see it here, the swap is given on the Radium. You can see here all details, and you can go for others here, the soul, and you can get that. You have to give their link which is given above, and you can go for that. So further on you can see it here, the white paper is given. So you can see it here, mark up your calendar for July 4th 2025. That's when Horsecoin goes live. Everything you need is already out there, their website, their Twitter. I will share the links in my video description. I will share with you about their white paper too, so I will just open that link in new tab, so I will share it with you easily. This is one of the launches you don't want to sleep on. Fair launch projects like this do not come around often. So now their roadmap is given. You can see the roadmap. Their phase 1 is about the drop meme, phase 2 is about the stack up, and phase 3 is about bullish takeover. You can see Horsecoin is a tribute to the meme coins, and bully walks upon is on path. So in memory of our horse bro Jerry, may no vacuum, be safe in the heaven, see you on the moon. So there's thing is given. I like that project, and if you are looking to jump into a low cap fair launch with a supportive community and a clean start, Horsecoin might be the worth a closer look. So do your own research too before going and investing in it. For joining community, you can go to their Twitter, and you can connect with the Twitter here. You can follow it, and here you can see the details about Horsecoin is given, the dogs rolling style and the launch site. So you can see it here. If you are looking to jump into the low cap fair launch with a supportive community and clean start, Horsecoin might be the word for a closer look. You can see their giveaway is going on, which is on 24 June. They share their details here. You have to get a giveaway of 3 soul, 1 soul to each. 3 lucky winner. Follow them and repost here. Join Telegram. You can easily be able to join them. You can send proof on the Twitter message too, so that you can easily be able to be a part of their giveaway and you can get more money on it. You can see it here. Go and smash on their Twitter so that you can be a part of their community here about that. And if you are looking to jump into the low cap fair launch with a supportive community and a clean start, Horsecoin might be the right one. So I will recommend you to must go and join that project. It is a good project and you can easily be able to work on it, and it is a good opportunity for everyone to make money in the top meme coin. So smash the like button, hit the subscribe and ring the bell so that do not miss the launch on July 4th, and drop a comment below. Are you getting in early or waiting to see how it's play out? So if you like my video, give thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.